Okay. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
I am Lovely Miminguez, 36 years old. I'm a single mother
Why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
because finances of my family. No.
How are you qualified for this job?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, ma'am.
May I know what is your educational level?
Undergraduate of college, ma'am.
What is your recent working experience?
I work experience in Jordan, ma'am, of 2 years.
What is your work there?
I'm cleaning, ironing, cooking, take care of baby.
Okay. So have you worked abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently,
No, ma'am.
are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any serious injury or illness?
No, ma'am.
Are you taking any medication or vitamins?
No, ma'am.
Is all your child normal delivery or C-section?
Normal, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dish?
Filipino foods and Arabic foods.
Do you have other special skills?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your special skills?
Take care of baby.
Do you have experience taking care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you're taking care of?
I can take care babies of my employer in Jordan and Kuwait.
Do you have experience taking care of the elderly?
No, ma'am.
But are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am. I willing.
Are you willing to work with any race employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work where the employer, the parent-in-law, or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am. I willing.
Are you aware that you have to do all the housework, including gardening and car washing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
2, ma'am.
Are you legally married?
No, ma'am.
Are you part of the LGBT?
No, ma'am.
When your baby was born, who take care of them?
I'm take care, ma'am.
Who will take care of your kids if you will work abroad?
My mother, ma'am.
You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No friends or relatives can come in the employer's house. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You strictly need to surrender your phone to your employer in the morning and they will return back to you once your work is done. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you misuse the handphone policy, employer will confiscate your phone and you're only allowed to call 4 times in a month only. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the rules and regulation of the handphone policy?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not allowed to use makeup or wear sexy clothes. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any allergy to food like seafood or any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pets?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or relatives here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
How many years are you planning to work here in Malaysia?
2 years, ma'am.
If the employer still wants you, are you willing to renew?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to renew.
Have you taken your vaccination?
Yes, ma'am.
What dose?
Johnson, ma'am.
Have you infected by COVID or Omicron before?
No, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have a day off, but you are not allowed to go out? You will rest inside the house only.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you undergo any surgery before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any issues, sickness, like asthma, high blood pressure, thyroid?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand and agree that we will upload your video recording in our website?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer is watching you right now, what do you want to tell them?
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. I am Lovely Miminguez. I am honest, responsible, and
Okay, that's all.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, May, if let's say there's an employer wanted to interview you, we will inform the Philippine agency, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.